Okay, chat, we're back with another uh mega video, bro. Um, yo, I just hopped out the shower, bro. I'm literally running out of time. I had to do homework, bro. Now I'm getting ready for stream, so I have like literally 30 minutes to record this, post it, make a thumbnail, blah 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 blah. So let's start, bro. I'm not gonna make any cuts. I'm just not gonna skip people, bro. I'm gonna try to make it interesting. I feel like by not skipping people, it gets interesting. So let's do it, bro. Yo, it's all up to me and them to make it interesting. So let's do this. Let me put my headphones in. You. Also, we're gonna be using my chopped camera, bro. Like I got two cameras, bro. I usually use this one for my mic, bro. But like I don't know why for these omegle videos it automatically chooses this one. So we'll take it, bro. Why do I not have a shirt on? Cause bro, my pits need to like have some air, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Who puts on deodorant right after the shower and just puts a shirt on, bro? Not me. What the hell? Bro, I kinda look like coconut. I kinda look like coconut. Dude, the thing is, like, half these dudes are jorking it, you know? Yeah. Yeah. See?
Too scary, India.
Not even me, bro. Yo,
I am.
Badussy. How is it?
I am. Yes, yes.
How is it, Badussy? Yo! Oh, I thought I was gonna trigger. What does that mean? Did that mean he was gonna knock me out? Jump, man. Okay. Yo, what up, Badussy?
Huh?
What up, Badussy?
What's so funny, but
What up, Badussy?
what?
What up, Badussy? What up, Bad... This is what I'm gonna title it. What up, Badussy? Oh my god, that dude was going at it. What up, Badussy?
My backyard. In the backyard.
What up, Badussy? Dude, I swear I'm not skipping anyone, bro.
Chứ có được bà sợ.
What up, Badussy?
Inzip?
Huh?
Inzip?
Huh? What the hell, bro? Yo! Yo, I'm gonna have to go back and see if that's like... Dude.
No. I am gamer. I am gamer. You, Ilyas Maliki. You,
Yo, bro, chat. Bro, chat.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yo.
Yeah, me?
What up, Badussy?
What?
What up, Badussy?
I don't understand, bro.
Like,
You can speak slow.
Badussy.
Yeah.
You got it? You get it?
No.
You don't get it? Like, ba, duh,
Duh. Okay.
ba, duh, si.
Sí.
Badussy!
No entiendo, loco. En serio.
Okay. Ba,
Yeah.
duh,
The.
si.
Sí, yo, badussy. Oh, la verga, loco. No entiendo nada, no entiendo nothing.
Badussy.
I don't understand nothing.
Badussy.
Badussy, no.
Badussy.
Badussy. Pero tú haces mirar. No
Tú
entiendo.
tienes Badussy.
No, loco. No. Ah, que sí. You have badussy. Es.
Yeah, Badussy.
You have badussy. Okay. Okay. No,
Oh, you
no,
get it?
no.
Oh,
No, bro. Good luck.
bro. Try, I'm gonna have to like remove that part, bro. Oh, this guy's jacking it too, dude. Like, where? Bro, how do I stop and get out, dude? Like, chat. I literally think there's a piece of meat in the video. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Boring, bro. I don't want to have to cut this shit up, bro. How do I pick like one thing? How do I pick a country or something? How do I pick? Must be age 18 or older. I don't know if I can pick anything, to be honest, bro.
Play. I see you play. Oh man, you have massive neck. What that?
Badussy.
It looks like a dick. Yeah,
No, it doesn't.
yeah, it is, brother.
No, it doesn't.
Fuck, man. It looks like a dick with a balls. That thing, you know?
You look
It's like
like a
what?
ball sack.
Nah, I look handsome, brother.
No, you look like a ball sack with hair.
Ah, come on, man.
Yeah.
That's an insult.
Hey, you call me a dick.
I call your neck is a dick, not your face. You call me all my body a dick?
No, I
What,
said
bro?
your head. Your head is a ball sack.
Ah, man.
What? That's
You
not
are
everything.
radical. No, I'm not okay.
You're a ball sack.
You are dick.
At least I have a dick. You just have balls.
A balls, but you don't have a dick.
You have a ball sack. Loser.
Oh, that's dick.
Dude. Yo, Chad, let's switch it up, bro. Let's switch it up. 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 I honestly think Monkey's the best one, dude, to be honest. To be completely honest with y'all, chats. To be completely honest with you. At least there's no peepees on here.
Damn.
You suck the dick? Yeah. So, what the fuck? Dolphins are unable to smell? What are you doing, bro? Larry, I don't want to meet Larry, bro. What the fuck? Try fix my,
What's happening with my brother?
I'm not your brother.
Yes, we're brothers in Jesus Christ.
Aw, you know what? You're right.
What?
You're right, bro.
Yeah, I know. I know I'm right.
Okay.
God.
See you, bro.
Alright, bro.
Wow, so wholesome, bro.
That bitch. I'm not like that.
Are you guys
What's
gonna make
up?
out?
I mean, if you want to see us, you gotta pay like
No,
20 bucks.
no, no, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Okay.
He said I'm good. Why you asked then?
Because it looked like you guys were about to.
Yeah, it sounds like you really want us to.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Hey, you just said
How do
thumbs
you do
up.
that? No, that's like.
How do I?
He
No,
said
I
thumbs
didn't.
up.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
That was you.
you. Oh,
He said yes.
yeah.
He said yes. He
You
wants us to
Bro,
kiss.
bro, okay,
Let's
do it
do it
again,
now.
bro.
See, it doesn't work.
See, it doesn't work,
See,
bro.
it's
Oh,
you,
man.
bro. It's you.
Nah, it's
Suck a
not.
nut, bro. Suck a nut. Oh my gosh. Ew. No offense to anyone who's of that kind. I just don't want to see it, to be honest. Like, it's just not my preference. But nothing wrong against it. What up, money?
I was like saying, you want some chick? And he was like, keep going.
What? Bro, why is my cat meowing at me? You want screen time, bro?
Hey, girl. Oh, that's a cute cat.
That's fucked up. Okay, I'll see you, Meowski. Okay, chat. I think I'm done with this video, bro. We're at 11 minutes. I just need to cut out the pee-pee.
Yeah, you trying to see something?
Nah.
You trying to see something? I agree. I love playing with balls.
Huh?
I love playing with balls.
With what?
Balls.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You need to get on a diet.
What? You don't play with balls?
I'm just trying to help you, bro. You need to get on a diet, bro. Like, seriously. How old are you? 8?
I'm 13.
Bro, you gotta start now.
What? You're saying I'm fat?
Yeah, bro.
I am.
Yeah, bro, I am.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me fat.
No, I just think I'm just trying to help you, bro. Like, it's just gonna
I
get
love
worse.
being fat.
Huh?
I love being fat.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. That means you know how I eat food.
Yeah, but too much, bro.
What? I'm not looking like queso right now.
Huh?
I'm not queso.
You're not queso? Huh? You're not full? Hey man, just think about it, bro. Just don't eat as much, cause it's
I feel like balls.
huh?
Do you play with balls?
Bro, I'm trying to save you, bro.
But do you like playing with balls? I love them.
Bro.
My favorite kind of ball is basketballs. Also football.
Okay, soccer is better.
I like.
Soccer is better though.
Oh, I love soccer balls. How do you fit like 1 billion hexagons and a ball? That makes no sense.
I don't know, bro, but you should lucky try it out.
My sister plays soccer.
You should play soccer too. Maybe it'll like
My sister won a trophy, then she broke it.
really? Well, maybe you can win a trophy, bro.
I won a trophy of being weird.
No, you can win a trophy of leveling up and
Like
trying to get
that.
fit.
Maybe I can win a trophy for getting a lot of subs.
Huh?
I have like 100, like 200 something on my YouTube channel.
Dang. Hey man, yo, what you should do, bro? You should do your
What?
journey of
What?
trying to get fit. That would get a lot of views, bro.
Right now, I'm on a diet.
Good.
I'm on a only liquid diet, so
Mm.
no food
Like
for
what
3
liquid?
weeks. Like no food, absolutely nothing.
But like what
Only
liquid
drink.
though? Like smoothie?
Like smoothies, water, prime, any kind of liquid.
Okay, how about this, bro? I'm gonna tell you something. Eat chicken, rice, and any
No, I
vegetable.
can't.
You can't?
I can't. No,
Why? You got like a condition?
because I'm on my diet.
But chicken's good.
I just did my surgery. I just got surgery, sorry. I'm on my diet.
Mm. So you can only eat
They had to
liquids?
take a bone on my side.
Mm. Hey man, you can do it
And they had
though.
to take that bone and put it right there.
Hey, you can do it, bro.
Like I have to only be on food for no food for 3 weeks.
Okay. Well, can you do exercise or no? Okay. I was trying to help, bro.
I gotta fart.
Yo, is
What's
that
up?
Fortnite?
Yeah, I play Fortnite.
Don't care. Okay, I gotta put on deodorant, chat. I'm not gonna lie. It's starting to stink. I think I'm gonna end this. I need to go back and check this out, bro. Make sure there's no peepees in the video. Cause I'm pretty sure I saw one on Omegle, bro. Unfortunately. Last one. Last one. Last one. Okay, I'm off. See you, chat. Oh wait, actually, let me move this over here. Close out and see ya, chat. Let me cut this out, bro. Let me cut all this irrelevant stuff out. I'll probably just cut the one part out where there's meat. Yeah, cause like you guys don't want to see that, right? Anyway, drop a like and 10, bro, please. If you guys want me to keep doing these, honestly, I might just do Fortnite. I'm just doing these for you guys, bro. I don't even want to talk to these people. They're kind of weird. I'm not saying I'm not, but like they're just like. Okay, see you, chat.